So I feel like this month I got my box pretty early and I'm happy about that. So this is the Boxycharm November base box. This is $25 a month. This is the least expensive. Get 5 full-size items. So I'm so excited. Let's see what we got for this month. Did you know that Ipsy bought Boxycharm? That is insane. I just found that out like a week ago. So if you enjoyed these unboxings, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. If you're new, welcome. My name is Jenz BeautyStyle, and let's go ahead and get started. So let's see what is in here. Let's see. So this is what the card looks like for this month. How cute. And it just says Boxycharm Harvest. And here you would just get the list of your items with the price. Okay, let me see the first thing I got here. No. Oh my god. You guys have to let me know if you got like the same box. Oh, by the way, this is number 27. This is by Milk Makeup and is the Kush waterproof mascara. And you guys, only if you watch me you'll know why I'm so excited for this. I only use waterproof mascara, so I'm so happy that that's the version they sent. I've always wanted to try this. I'm always willing to try any waterproof mascara, so I can't wait. Oh, trust me, I'm gonna be making a review on this. And of course, this is the full size. Let me try to take it out of the packaging. I'm so due to get these nails done. I think it's been like 1 whole month. Any little thing and they're about to like pop off. So let's see the, oh, ooh, this is pretty. Look at that. It feels heavy. Wow, you know how many times I was about to buy this and I just didn't? This retails for $24. A waterproof intense black mascara with thickening heart-shaped fibers and conditioning hemp-derived cannabis seed oil. I have tried several things from Milk Makeup and I really enjoy it. I just want to see how this wand looks. Okay, it looks pretty basic to me. I'm excited about that. If you love waterproof mascaras, just in case you're like me, I have a whole playlist if you're interested. So very excited about the first item. Let's see what's next. What is this? Liquid corrector. Liquid corrector. I can't say I'm excited about this. This is in 2.0 and this is by the brand Jecca Black, I think. The perfect under eye brightener which disguises darkness and evens out skin tone. The lightweight formula creates a natural glowing finish and this retails for $15. 1FO I believe the shade is. I don't really use correctors, but hey, cute. So in the back it says liquid corrector offers a light coverage and corrects under eye darkness. Be fearless, you look fabulous. This is made in UK. Okay. I mean, I've never done it, but why not try? So this, you see, it's like a pink. That's interesting. I'll give that a try. Why not? Can't say I'm thrilled about that. Let's see what's next. What is this? Ooh. This is skincare. This is by the brand Jenz, and it's a pumpkin turmeric 2-in-1 Radiance polishing mask. You know, I literally just reviewed another. Is it turmeric as well? Yeah, the Cora, I think it's called turmeric exfoliating mask, and I was obsessed with that. And this is pumpkin turmeric, you know. Can't wait to see what it looks like. So never tried anything from Jenz. 2-in-1 mask infused with 8 orange skin loving ingredients to help nourish and polish your face for a hydrated, smooth, supple, and radiant complexion. The lightweight and exfoliating formula resurfaces skin in only 5 to 10 minutes, and this retails for $45. I'm obsessed with this packaging here. Oh, look how cool it is. And here it shows you Yay Superfood Cosmetics. Can you see? I don't know how close should I put it since I'm on my new camera. So it has pumpkin, turmeric, papaya, grapefruit, ginger, carrot, honey, orange. Live Your Yang by Jennifer Yang creator. God, what am I waiting for to open this? Okay, pretty. This one is 0.25 ounces. This is made in the USA. Comes nicely sealed. Thanks for that. I just want to see if it smells like... It's hard to smell unless I takes a lot of it out, but that's what it looks like. Ooh, For some reason, it reminds me of this carrot cake that I make, and I don't know why. I'll do a separate video. I have several skincare videos too if you love skincare, but that's pretty cool. Next we have, oh, something from Farsali. I have reviewed like 2 items from Farsali in the past. This is a serum that helps to replenish. This has hyaluronic acid. It retails for $24. That's crazy. I thought it would be much more expensive. And this is a 1 ounce. I've seen this before and the bottle is so pretty. Wow. Alright, so as of now, this is the second skincare product. Of course, I would like to receive 70-30, 70% makeup, 30% skincare would be my preference, but I'm not mad right now. This bottle is adorable. Colors, that baby blue. To be careful using this. You know I have oily, acne prone skin, so I could break out. I will definitely do a separate review on it after I try it for a while. So it has a nice dropper. Alright. Ooh, no, I don't want to waste it. Ugh, whatever. Alright, so let me just see. Oh. No scent. Scent doesn't bother me, but I know it does for a lot of people. Oh, no way. This does not feel oily at all. Dried so nicely. I was so scared, but now, oh, I'm not scared to try this anymore. First impressions, by the way. See, it doesn't look greasy. It doesn't look oily. It doesn't feel oily or greasy. That's important for me. I don't like that feeling. And what do we have here? What is this and why is it packaged like that? Which palette is this, guys? I'm just a makeup addict, so I get too excited. I'm sorry if it's overwhelming, but this is a Natasha Denona palette. Oh my god, I feel so special. These shades, oh. Look at this. Why does this look? This looks much bigger. This can't be the $25 one. This is definitely not like a mini palette. This has to be like in the middle. Have reviewed several palettes, maybe 3 of her palettes, 1 big one, and maybe like 2 small ones, minis, and this is definitely bigger. So yeah, this is the Natasha Denona Peak palette. And this retails for $48. And it's a bit messy. Do you see how it came, kind of? So let me just clean that. I don't want it to look dirty for you. Look how pretty these shades are. They scream fall, don't they? They scream like Thanksgiving. Oh my god. I'm definitely doing a look with this. I'm so glad I didn't pause this. I was like, should I pause it? Should I keep it? 5-pan palette featuring Natasha Denona's Essential Everyday Warm Toned. Oh, you know I like cold toned, but I play with warm tone too. Imagine you literally just paid only $25 for these items. Like, that is a crazy steal. I can't believe it. I want to do a whole video on it. I'm gonna do swatches. I'm gonna do a look for you, and I'll call it like a Thanksgiving makeup look or something. These colors are perfect. Let's go ahead and add up the total. $48, $24, another $24, $45, and $15. So this box is worth $156 and we paid $25 for. We'll leave a link in the description if you wanna check them out. I'd say the only thing that was like a miss for me kind of was the corrector. Besides that, everything, like, trust me, you're getting separate reviews on all of these. So give this video a thumbs up if you're excited about that. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.